Hi everyone. Today we'll go through the manufacturing process based on projects in Odoo. Odoo is a business management software that covers all your organizational needs, such as CRM, e-commerce, accounting, inventory, manufacturing, and much more. Let's start with Odoo's landing page. Here you can see all the available apps. And you can easily access them by either clicking on the app or by typing the name of the app you'd like to open. For example, type purchase order, and you'll see it show up. Or maybe you want to go into sales order, for which all you'd need to type in is order, and you'll see all available options under that category. Let's go into the project app and see the options under configurations. In configurations, we have three options: project process, project type, and project stages. Let's start with project type. This allows you to define a project template, which is required to complete projects. If you click on the small project template, you'll be presented with this page. Now I'll briefly go through the different fields and what they mean. Processes can be defined as the actual task of the project. Task validity days can be defined as the number of days to finish the task. Project scope means scope or extent of the project. Select the Add Followers checkbox if the customer is involved in the completion of the task. Assignee is defined as the person to whom you want to assign this task. In task type, we distinguish whether this task is the main task of subtask, whereas subtask is a task within the task. Depend task lets you define a task and state whether this task depends on a previous task. Basically, Odoo will check whether the completion of a task has a depend task, which means in order to complete this task, the depend task has to be completed first. Once it's completed, then you will be able to finish the current task. Is sample order simply means this task is for a sample order. For is manufacturing, if we select this checkbox, then the task will be considered as a manufacturing task and it will create a manufacturing order automatically once the task is confirmed. For is procurement, if we select this checkbox, then the task will be considered as a procurement task and it will create a purchase order automatically once the task is confirmed. Is approval simply means this task requires higher authorization to complete. Internal approval means the task needs to be approved from the internal team. Need customer feedback means you should select this checkbox if you want customer feedback. Okay, now let's open another option called project process. Here you'll see all the processes of all the project templates displayed. And now let's go to project stages. Here we can define stages of the project, which allows us to see the status of the project. For example, we can see whether the project is new, in progress, done, or cancelled. And now Praveen from Bista Solutions will explain the bill of materials, and then conduct a walkthrough on Quotation.
We have table is a finished good, and these are the input components. We have subassembly, tabletop, and input items, table leg, bolt, screw, and operation assembly. We have subassembly, tabletop, it requires wood panel, and operation, manual assembly. Then we will start with quotation. We will create quotation. We will select the customer, the Jackson Group. Then we will select the project template, which we configured in configuration. We have product, table. We have quantity. Price will come automatically from master. Then we will select the project details. We will select the project start date. Then project title. Then scope of the project you can write here. Then we will save the quotation. As soon as I save the quotation, then we can see order line here. Then project processes came from the project template, which is small. Then component of the table top, table leg, bold, and screw. And this is the project details. Now we will confirm the sales order. Once I confirm the sales order, then we have delivery, and then we have project overview here. We'll go into the project overview. Then we have project code here, project label, which is associated with the sales order. Then we will confirm the project. Once I confirm the project, 11 tasks are attached here. Then including 2 portal tasks. Portal task means the task which require to finish the customer's help. So we will see the 11 tasks. You can see 11 tasks in a new stage. These red color tasks are our internal tasks, and blue color tasks are for customers. You can see the person also here. Gordon owns. We will start from sales order confirmation. For this process, we will have timesheet over here and update the time. We can plan the time first, and we can select the person. We can have a description here. 2 hours. Then we will save the task. Then update the task. Now you can see the task updated from in progress to done. Then we can drag any task from any stage. Project kickoff. Then we will assign the timesheet, 4 hours. In description. Meeting with team. Then 4 hours. Update the task. Now you can see the kickoff task is also completed. Then design phase. You can have timesheet for that also. For design, it took 8 hours. It can take hours, 8 hours. And person. It took 8 hours to prepare the design and update the status from in progress to done. Now this is customer's task. We need help from the customer to finish this task. So we'll go to the customer portal. This is customer portal, and we have the person, Gordon owns. We will select the email ID as a login ID of that portal. Select the login ID and we have password. This is the customer portal. Customer can log and check all the transactions like quotations, sales orders, purchase order, invoice and bills, projects, tasks, and timesheet also. We will check the project. Then we will check the project. Project code is 66, and this is the project code 66. And we can see the relevant tasks here. These are the tasks with their status. can see the status also new, done, in progress. And now customer will open the task and can communicate with this chatter. So he says, from my side, this task is approved. Now we'll go to the task and we will update, and we can see the customer's communication here. This is the customer communication. So now we can update the timesheet. So Doris is communicated with the customer. And it took 1 hour to communicate with the customer. And I will save the timesheet and update the task. So one by one, I will finish this task. This is the data is completed. So it took 6 hours. We can initially we planned hours. These are the planned hours. So and 2 hours. And multiple. Then 2 hours. We'll update and finish the task. Again, so we will complete this task. Then group send task. We will complete this task. Now we have again customer task. Now again, we will go into the customer portal. Customer can see again all the tasks with updated status. This is the approved that task by communication, and we can see the communication or this chat. Yes, call done and approved. Then we will update the status of that task, and the task is finished. Then we have production task. In production tasks, it will create manufacturing because we have selected is manufacturing option on project template. So we will create manufacturing order. This will create a manufacturing order. This is the 58 number manufacturing order of table and with quantity 2. We have components over here: tabletop, table leg, board, screw, and work order of assembly line. Then we will confirm this manufacturing order. This manufacturing order create purchase order for raw materials and child manufacturing order for tabletop, which is our sub-assembly. This is our sub-assembly. Okay. Then we will do purchase first. We will confirm the purchase order. Bolt and screw. Receive the products. Material is received and validated. And we can see the manufacturing order. Then we have to complete child manufacturing order first to finish the main order. Open in a new tab so that it will be easy for going back. So this is the child manufacturing order for tabletop, and this is the input item which is available, and this is the work order. So we will plan for the work order. Quantity is 2 with pass fail option. We'll complete the manufacturing order. So the child manufacturing order is completed. Then we'll go into the main manufacturing order. Again, we will create in a new tab for main manufacturing order. Everything is ready now, available. Now we'll plan for the work order. Then we will complete that work order. Quantity is 2. We have this tool also with 5 options are there. You can block the work order. You can add the scrap. You can add additional component while running the production. Then quality alerts, maintenance request. You can book here downtime of that machine. We have take a picture option. Then we will validate. Validate for table leg 8 quantity, bolt 8 quantity, screw 20 quantity, and it will create the checklist. So we will have this complete checklist after the production, and we will complete the manufacturing order. This manufacturing is also completed, and we will see the status. We have completed the manufacturing order, and that task is also completed. Then we'll update the status. We have 5 hours with multiple people also you can add. Description. Hours. Then add paid events. Meeting with customer for 2 hours, and here and we'll update this task and complete this task. So we have incoming mail fetch, and we'll complete this task. Again, we will go to the sales order 66. Then we will see the project overview. In project overview, all 11 tasks are completed, including the customer task. Okay. Then we will complete the task project, and we'll go into the sales order. Now we have to deliver the material because our manufacturing is completed. In delivery, we have two options: tag the material and deliver the material. We'll first complete the tag the material, and we have two tables to tag. Yes, material is tagged, and then we will deliver the material. This is also completed. Now material is delivered and invoice is pending. So we will prepare the invoice by create invoice. We'll have regular invoice, and this is the draft invoice. We'll confirm the invoice, and it will create final invoice. Now we have completed end-to-end cycle of manufacturing process. Now we will update the timesheet by timesheet journal entry in accounting. In timesheet journal entry, we have to select date, from date, and to date. You can see all the timesheet entries with project tag 66. These are the timesheet entries. In we will post this entry, and we will see the reports from analytical tag, analytical report. In analytic report, we need to select the account 66 and project tag also 66. You can see the analytic entries which came from the timesheet. Then you can see timesheet reports, reporting, and with project. This is our project 66, 26 hours you can see, and by task also. This is the project 66, and these are the tasks. This is the bifurcation of 26 hours, 5 hours plus 6 hours plus 1 hour. Okay. This is our complete end-to-end manufacturing process based on projects with timesheet. Thank you.